Hello, welcome back to CapSim Capstone 2024-2025, the top 10 winning tips round 1 HR, finance and TQM. So we have the video to go through round 1 very detailed, walk through round 1 very detailed step-by-step guide for R&D, for marketing, for production, and for HR, finance, TQM. You can check the other video for the details guide. Round 1 very important, so do not make any mistake in round 1. And also I say again and again, do not copy the number may be different from student to student, from game to game. So I show you the strategy. You can use the broad differentiation strategy like this and always win. You see on the screen, we invest in round 1, 2, 3, and from round 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 we get the top sale and top profit, top stock price, right? So such strategy important, so I show you the details now. We have top 10 winning tips can apply for all rounds. So in the video I show you the industry condition report, use a free Excel file to calculate R&D, update R&D each round, add new product in round 1, 2, 3, set prices, calculate the sales forecast in marketing, and for production we just checked in the last video, calculate the production schedule, production plan, add new capacity, increase automation, and even the 3 sources of fund in round 1. So now I show you it for human resource HR decision. Round 1 we don't have to make decision. From round 2 we make decision here. So we move to the finance, and we don't have TQM in round 1. So for finance, quite simple, right? We need fund to invest in early round, so we issue the stock here, Mark issues the stock here, and then retire the stock. We don't do that now, and we pay some dividends, and we borrow some short-term loans, and then we borrow some long-term loan, and then you can get enough cash here. Enough cash here from 30 to 50 million is enough cash for operation, so we can avoid emergency loans. Now we check the income statement. Here we get very high sales. We can compare. Last round we get 100 million for sales, and now we get 170, increase 70 million. And profit here not so important in early round because we spend a lot here for promotion and sales here, so we get some profit, but next round we can increase to 5, 10, 15, 20 and 30% of profit and 50% of contribution margin. But I say again, in round 1, 2 and 3 we invest first, and later round we can double the sale and double the profit each round. So you can see on the screen the result. Round 1 we get very high sales here and good profit here, right? So I just show you in the 4 videos on the decision for round 1. The most important round is round 1, so remember to check on the decision, right? Check the decision of round 1. The start round is very important to get the top result. If you have any question, you can send the email to mbasim.faris@gmail.com or get the free support for round 1 and round 2. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.